Shaolin versus
What up? You
Wutang.
checking out the freaking
2.
flyer? I just
The
thought I'd give you
return
guys
of
some
the martial
content
masters.
while I play this game here. This is Shaolin versus Wutang 2. It's in early access, so it's not really finished. I just got early access to it. This guy here is Chuck Norris from Return of the Dragon. All my Kung Fu heads, y'all know what it is. Can't mess with the lizard ball. So this is the lizard from 5 Deadly Venoms that I'm playing with. Whoa. Catching this ball, right? Chuck on it with lizard. Flip over the back. Oh, okay. Yeah. Oh, he blocked all of that. Get him again with it. Computer be blocking like crazy on here. Okay. Oh, spun me around. Yeah, what? Lizard style. Yeah, so I've been playing a little bit of this. Lately I've been flying a lot of indoor quads. I haven't done a video in a while. Spun them back around. Well, let me not lose my train of thought. I have been playing with my little quads, my indoor flyers. Been flying them. I'm going to be coming up with a list soon for you guys. A video. Well, I already have a list, but I'm going to do a video so you guys will know what my favorite indoor flyers are. And yeah, more to come. This quarantine thing has been keeping me indoors. I've been trying to stay indoors as much as I can. If I do go out, it's just to get something that I need for the family, like food, groceries, and all of that stuff. I might sneak out in front and fly one of my little quads out front, but my wife has been complaining about that. She really don't want me to leave the house. We got too many kids in here to really risk it. Oh, flip over the back. This game is awesome, man. For all my Kung Fu heads out there, this is the one to get. It's not out yet. Early access here. Got new characters here, new playable characters. This being one of them, the lizard. I just dusted off Chuck Norris real quick. Y'all know who this is. Bruce in here. And I'm fighting Van Damme here. It got all of the icons from the Kung Fu movies from back in the day. Even some of them from up to date. We have Yip Man in here too. Or IP Man, as some people would like to say. But yeah, this game is really nice. I love it. Awesome little Kung Fu game here. I haven't seen anything like it. But yeah, back to the drones. I will be flying more indoor, doing more indoor stuff. I haven't done a video in a while. I have been still flying my little indoor quads, but I do a lot of the stuff that you guys have already seen me doing videos, so that's why I haven't been coming with more videos of me flying indoors. I don't want to flood you guys with all of the same, a lot of the same stuff. I've still been doing my landing challenge, landing on a bunch of stuff. Maybe I might do another one of those. I've been doing a landing challenge with the Cherson CX-10, so it's a little harder with the Cherson CX-10. It being a little larger than that little tiny Proto N, and so landing on some of the same things is quite challenging to try to balance it on top, because balancing is an issue now, you know, it being a little larger. Van Damme don't want it with Bruce. I'm tearing this board. Catching it. This game looks so real, man. It's just so much of an authentic feel with this game. All of the sounds and all. They paid a lot of attention to detail on this thing. And so it seems like all of the fighters, they were very careful to make them fight the way that they actually fight in the movies that we're used to watching. So Bruce Lee usually threw punches like that. Hard sucker punches and wild swing. Bruce Lee's just a beast, man. Oh, caught me with the... Oh, okay. Oh. Yeah. What? I went low on him. Can't mess with Bruce. Okay, he did the split on me. Okay. Oh, did the split on... Oh, okay. Double split on me. Bruce. Oh, he blocking all of that stuff. Okay. Gotta switch it up on him. Try to grab him. Back smack. What? Bruce. Okay. He blocking it now. Caught it. Bruce Lee has fast hands. Well, he had fast hands when he was doing it. Okay, so Bruce Lee against another one of my favorite characters, but he can't mess with Bruce. The Lizard. Iconic kicks and all from Bruce, just like in the movies. Leg work. Leg work. Okay, that's a special block right there that he did on me. Had to go low on him. Authentic sounds coming from this thing. Making all the sounds that Bruce Lee usually make. Sucker punched him. This is the best Bruce Lee character to video game that I've ever seen. It's so much like Bruce Lee. In fact, it's like that with all the characters. Oh, this thing has Bruce Lee on it. As you can see, the Lizard. It has Van Damme. It has Chuck Norris. It has Black Belt Jones. That's Jim Kelly from Enter the Dragon. It has him on here. It has Donnie Yen. Yip Man is on here. It has the Wushu guy is Jet Li, so it has Jet Li on here. It has sheesh, it's just a lot of them, man. It has Pa Mei on here. Well, actually Pa Mei is on part 1, but I haven't seen him on the early access part 2 here yet. I'm trying to get the independent game maker to bring him back from part 1. Been talking to him on Steam to try to get him to do it. Hope he does it, man, because that's a really iconic character from Kung Fu movies back in the day. Pa Mei. For those of you who don't know who that is, that's the old guy with the long white beard and white brows and the white mustache. Got him in the corner. Bruce. The back smack. Yeah, so yeah, this is a pretty awesome game, man. You can get early access to this game for $16 on Steam. You can actually get the full version of part 1 on Steam for cheaper than that. But really awesome games. It's an independent video game maker who created this thing. And it's just a really awesome video game. I love it. And so I've been playing a lot of this. I do play Call of Duty Mobile as well on mobile phone. And just flying my little drones and trying to get through this. Hopefully all you guys out there are safe. You know, my family's been safe. Nobody got sick. Thanks to God for that. That all my family is okay. Nobody's sick and all. And yeah, hopefully we gonna get through this, y'all. So here go Master Yip. I'm about to fight Chuck Norris. Yeah, we going right back to where Bruce Lee fought him at in Rome. Let's see if Chuck can handle Master Yip. Okay, he blocking it. As you can see, it looks just like Master Yip. The Donnie Yen version of him. The fast hands. Oh, don't forget about the kicks. Don't forget about the kicks. Okay, he's cheating using the stick. Okay. Getting caught. Okay. Back a ball. Catching it. Yeah, don't forget about the kicks. Fast hands. He ain't ready for You want more? Forget about the kicks. I'm on this side. Okay. Oh, okay. You caught me. Okay. That's embarrassing right there. Okay. You gonna break the bricks in my head? Let me get back on this side. Okay. Oh, you using that stick on me. Okay, yeah. Watch your feet. Oh, man. Hit the pause button by mistake. Okay, spun me around. Oh, okay. Okay, you want to be like that? That's how you feel? What? Fast hands. Don't forget about the feet. Yep, man. Yeah, so this game is a blast to play, guys. I definitely recommend this one. Part 1 is pretty good too. It has the snake on there from the 5 Deadly Venoms. It has what's the guy? Golden Arms, the kid with the golden arms. It has him on there. Just a lot of Master Killer is on this too. He's tough too. I gotta show y'all Master Killer. Probably not this time right here. This video is kind of long anyhow. Yeah, I'm beating up Chuck Norris here. Okay, he got smart to the kicks. Fast hands. Caught him with the kicks. Don't forget about the kicks. Watch feet. Okay. Oh, you using that? Weapons? You want weapons? Knives. Yeah, so you guys can expect me to bring more content out for the channel for you guys to check out. I'm definitely going to keep flying my quads and all.
Versus Wutang.
This pandemic isn't going to stop us from going.
Masters.
Thanks for watching.